overlook the truck. It's just a little beat up work truck. But anyway, I bought a 22-inch light bar off of eBay and installed it yesterday. And I was wanting to show you guys a little quick way that I found to run the wiring harness for it. As you see, where I mounted it at, I've got it run through here. You got your leads going to your battery. Since the battery is on the passenger side, there is not an easy way of getting into the firewall. There is a small garment for the antenna back down over in here, but it's hard to get to, so I found the easiest way for me to do this. I run it alongside the fender here, and back behind the blower motor cover here, there's a small gap, just barely big enough to fit the wire through. So I run it through there. Run it down through here. Now a buddy of mine, he run his wire straight across through here. I didn't like how that was, considering that the door would smash up against it. So what I did was a quick easy fix. I pulled this rubber sleeve here off and cut a small hole in the corner of it and run the wire through. And it goes straight through, and here's my toggle switch for it. But after I cut that small hole, I put silicone around it just to help seal it up, and I put this piece of plastic on there to keep any water from going around it. If for some reason it starts to leak, then I can take this out and I'll just fill it up with the spray foam. Alright, thank you. Here's what the stock headlights look pretty crappy. Here's your light bar. Big difference.